Now it's time to, I will let you know that how to activate a parent's or a child account through mobile application, right? I already made a video and uploaded on a YouTube that how to activate parents or child account through the web browser, right? So today I'm going to let you know how to activate in a mobile application and what are the things that we have to keep in mind while activating. So make sure you are watching the videos starting from beginning to end. Okay, so let's start. I'm just going to open a message box where I received a message here, right? For the activation. Now see, I received here the two URL. The first one to download the mobile application, and the second one if you wanna be activate from the web browser. So I already made a video through the web browser. I will just drop a link in the description also that how you can do in a web browser. Right now I'm going to do from the mobile application, right? See how what are the things I received through the message. The first one, the two URLs and the username, that will be my mobile number on which I received the message, also the OTP and the school code, right? So I'm just going to tap on this one and I'm just going to open with the Chrome. Once I will open it, it will directly go to the Play Store. See, here I already download the application, so I'm just going to open it. Once I will click on open, I have to feed the school code. That is if I can show you, see here the school code is the Rohit INT and the username and the my OTP, right? So I'm just going to feed this one, that is a Rohit INT. Going to proceed. After that, you are able to find your school name, the username, the mobile number on which you received a message, and again the OTP, right? This one OTP that I received. Okay, now click on sign in. Sorry, I just did a mistake. Actually I just type an incorrect number here, so I'm just going to change it. Yeah, now see, here I have to make a password. This is a parent's login. Okay, so first I'm just click on it. Okay, now see, I'm just making a password that is a combination of a lower and uppercase with a special character. So I just feed it pass hashtag 1234. You can see this is a strong, right? So I'm going to proceed. Once I will proceed, after that I received a message that account has been created or activated successfully. So I'm just going back again. Now see, once you activate your parents account, you will find your child name here. Suppose you have a sibling, so you will find the name of the both the students or both your child, and here you have to make a password for the child. So you are the responsible for the child account, right? So like if you want to check the what are they doing during the live lecture, and also you can watch it there, right? So I'm just going to make a password common for both the parents and students. If you want to make the different password, you can also do it. So I'm just going to make it different. I just feed 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? So I just fix the password here, then click on done. Now see, account has been created. Okay, see here I also received a message that child account has been also activated. I'm going to click on this so I can just receive the notification whatever the school will send some notification to us, right? Now see, here I have many different things. Like what is the difference between the student and parents? So the parents can pay the fees, parents can find out the permissions fee, the school fees, the transportation and all, but they can't attend a live lecture, they can't attend an online test here. To activate to find out to join the live lecture, what we have to do, first log out from here. So I'm just going to log out from the parents account. I just click on log out, then I will log in through the child account. Okay, so again I'm just going to feed the school code. After that, the username of your student. Okay, the username should be your admission number or a student ID or whatever the school will provide to you. So that is your username. It might be many times that is the admission number or a student ID. So that will be a username, and the password that I created right now for my child, that is the 1 2 3 4. See this one, the username and the fine. Now I click on sign in. After that again click on yes, so we'll able to receive the notification Okay, now see here. What is the difference there? Like in the parents and the student. And now you can see I have the option of the live lecture. At the same screen, I can conduct or join online examinations also from the homework tab, right? Once we have a live lecture, online examinations is scheduled, you are able to watch here. So this is the steps that we have to follow. Make sure once you create your parents account, you log out and log in as a student account using their admission ID or a student ID and a password that you created. So thank you.